Welcome to our channel, a place where we share fascinating stories about the wild world of animals. Each video is a journey into the heart of nature, where even familiar creatures reveal mysteries you may never have imagined. If you love nature and want to explore the most extraordinary beings on our planet, you're in the right place. Today, let's dive into the life of a truly remarkable animal, both powerful and graceful, and one of the most striking symbols of Africa's savanna, the zebra. Zebras are native to Africa. They thrive on vast grasslands where the horizon stretches endlessly. The sky seems to touch the earth, and the wind sweeps across golden fields. They are most often seen in East and Southern Africa, in countries like Kenya, Tanzania, Botswana, and South Africa. These regions, with their dry plains, seasonal wetlands, and mighty rivers, form the backdrop of the zebra's great journey across the land. The savanna is not only a feeding ground but also a stage of life, where predator and prey constantly interact. In this great picture of survival, zebras play a central role. Zebras are grazers, feeding mainly on grasses. Unlike many herbivores, they are not selective eaters. Thanks to a digestive system designed for tough plants, they can consume coarse, dry grasses that other animals often reject. In doing so, zebras act as cleaners of the savanna, making way for fresh grass to grow, grass that later becomes food for antelopes, wildebeests, and other grazers. When food is scarce, zebras adapt by eating leaves, shoots, or even bark. This flexibility allows them to survive the harshest seasons, especially the long, dry months. Often, zebras graze alongside other animals, not only sharing resources but also increasing safety in numbers. Zebras are social animals, living in herds ranging from dozens to hundreds. During great migrations, thousands of zebras move together across the plains. A strong stallion usually leads the herd, while females and young stay protected in the center. Their migration is one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles. Driven by rainfall, zebras travel hundreds of kilometers in search of fresh grass and water. Along the way, they face daunting challenges, crossing rivers filled with crocodiles, outrunning lions, and staying ahead of relentless hyenas. Communication is essential in zebra society. They call, bray, and use body language to share warnings and maintain unity. A single alarm can send the entire herd into motion. Zebras also groom one another with their teeth, strengthening bonds and showing affection. The zebra's most iconic feature is its black and white stripes. No two zebras share the same pattern. Each animal carries a unique design. Much like human fingerprints, this individuality allows zebras to recognize each other, especially mothers with their foals. The stripes serve multiple purposes. They confuse predators when zebras run in groups, blending into one moving pattern. They may help regulate body temperature under Africa's scorching sun. Studies suggest that stripes deter flies and biting insects, offering protection from disease. Beyond their stripes, zebras are built for survival. Their strong legs allow them to sprint up to 65 kilometers per hour. A powerful kick from a zebra can injure even the fiercest predator. With eyes positioned on the sides of their head, they have nearly 360-degree vision, helping them spot threats from afar. And with their endurance, zebras can walk long distances under the blazing sun in search of water. There are three main species of zebras. Plains zebra, the most common, found across much of Africa in large herds. Mountain zebra, smaller in size, adapted to rocky terrains. Grevy's zebra, the largest and rarest, with narrow, dense stripes, now critically endangered with only a few thousand left in the wild. This diversity makes zebras some of the most remarkable members of the horse family. Zebras are not just beautiful, they are vital to the balance of the savanna. By grazing on old grasses, they renew the land, allowing fresh shoots to grow and feeding countless other animals. As prey, they are a crucial food source for lions, leopards, and hyenas. In many ways, the survival of other species is closely tied to the presence of zebras. Although zebras are still seen in large numbers, their population is declining. Expanding farmland, hunting, and climate change threaten their survival. Grevy's zebra, in particular, is in serious danger, with fewer than 3,000 individuals left in the wild. Without action, these striped wonders could one day disappear from the savanna. Protecting zebras means protecting nature itself. Supporting wildlife reserves, raising awareness, and preserving natural habitats are steps we can take to ensure future generations will still witness the magic of these animals. The story of the zebra is a story of resilience, beauty, and the delicate balance of nature. Despite constant threats, zebras remain a timeless symbol of freedom on the African savanna. If you enjoyed this journey and want to discover more fascinating animals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss our next adventure into the wonders of the wild. See you soon.